We came in second last year in a very close match with Princeton. I think this year we again have a very strong men's squad, and we have added some very strong freshman fencers to this program, despite the fact that we graduated two very good ones in Valentin Stoller and James Horrott. But overall we've become stronger. And I believe that if all our squads perform at the level that I think they can, we have a very good shot again at winning the Ivies this year on the men's side. Again, yes, on the men's side also been very fortunate to have those two individuals be our captains this year. They are very disciplined, keeping all our fences on the positive side and moving them forward, I think, with their strong leadership skills. And again, providing the coaches with an opportunity to focus strictly on enhancing the technical competency of our fencers. So overall, that combination, I think, will allow us to perform at the very best. Again, we have some returning fencers who are very high quality performers. In addition, as I've indicated before, we added four very strong nationally ranked fencers, specifically Jerry Chang and Michael Wu are the top foil fencers coming out of high school. Jerry Chang and Michael Wu, both of them are continuing to compete on the international level. And so these two folks are going to be extremely helpful for us. Nicholas Simko also performing internationally in the Epee. And so I expect a lot from him. And again, Duncan O'Brien, who's, as I said before, an excellent saber fencer who competed on a national level all along through high school. So he's bringing a lot of experience to the saber squad and added depth. And overall, I'm very pleased with the way they've been training pre-season-wise and continuing going forward for the upcoming season. Very good startup in the Penn State Open, the strongest preseason event in college fencing. It has the best collegiate fencers in the country coming to that event. So that will give us an opportunity to gauge where we're at the early start of the season, giving some idea how individually these folks have been performing and adjusting to, especially the freshmen, adjusting to the collegiate fencing arena. And I'm hoping, and I know we're going to get some really good performances from our men's squad at that event.